So now that we're finished testing the app on the desktop, it's time to do what we've all been waiting for, which is testing it on the phone. So let's go ahead and do that. So we start with our phone, turn it on, of course. Probably want that. And probably you received a message once you went ahead and got your SMS. So just click on the link that appears there and automatically will take you to a site, and just click that icon there and click on add to bookmark. Adding to bookmark and then click on add right away, and then you have it. Now you have your icon right here. So you can just click on it and there you go. Now the icon and everything looks like it's an app. So you can go ahead and start using it. Swipe and just go through the images. Obviously you can go ahead and sign up and you have your flow here. Let's say you start adding your information and then you join Swanky. You have your onboarding. Swipe, click there so you can add some brands of your choice. Remove them if you want. Click continue and welcome. So you can go to a different tab, you can go back to the tab, you can scroll. You're scrolling and you can go to a different menu on the tab, and there you go. Right here we're in discover. We were on feed before, and that's it. You just start playing with it. Go ahead and click on the product, tap. That way you get to see the images. Let's add a size. Let's add a medium. We add a medium. It's represented there. It's all good. Let's go back. So we're back in feed. Let's go and search for something. You click there on the form, and then you start typing. Have just some suggestions. Let's go there. Let's go to brands, and these are all the brands. We can see all the products from the different brands. You can go ahead and click on the first one that I'm actually following. It shows there that I'm following it. All the products that are inside that brand. And it's looking good. Apparently I cannot click those, but I can click here. It takes me back to that product. Let's go ahead and see my big fat face. Hopefully your photo is going to be looking way better than that. Then you have your settings. If it looks clean, everything looks just the way an app would look. And that's the beauty of it, that you can actually scroll, swipe, tap, all those things that are meant to be used, and actually having it on the phone and opening it, all that experience, you can totally do it with when you're prototyping, which is what we wanted. This is the experience we were looking for, and this is what is going to blow your clients' minds. So cool.